Hello, my name is Natalia and I'm a founder and the owner of the exotic, luxury, VIP and all those fancy words car rental fleet in Miami. We are called G.M.Luxe, and if you already rented a vehicle from us, then watch this video to get a tutorial of one of my female drivers to how to properly use this vehicle. If you have not rented from us, then please follow links down below this video and make your future reservation.
Hello everybody, thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you for renting with G.M.Luxe, and today we're going to talk about this beautiful Rolls-Royce Dawn. This convertible Rolls-Royce is amazing, catches the attention on the streets, has a lot of horsepower, yet drives like a true luxury car, has a suicide doors and very nice interior. Let's get started. So this is how the key looks like. It has several buttons. The unlock button, you would press up. The lock button is in the middle, and to open the trunk you would press this button right here. So to enter the car you press the unlock button and open it the other way. To close the suicide doors you will use the buttons located right in front of you on the left hand side. Hold it and it will close. So now we are inside the vehicle. We are going to talk about the main functions of the car, for example, how to connect to the Bluetooth, how to operate the gearbox, and many more functions. So let's begin with the main things first. To start the vehicle, you would press on the brake pedal and use the start engine button on your right hand side. To put the car in drive, you would press on the brake pedal, push the handle towards yourself and down all the way. Now the car is in drive. To put it in neutral, you would go one above, and to put it in reverse, you would go all the way up, like so. Also, there is a camera for the rear view. To put the car in park, you would use the button located on the handle, press on it, and the car is parked. Now that you turned on the car, you might as well want to connect your phone to the Bluetooth or even use the CarPlay. I'm going to explain you how to do so. So we would go to Media and Radio button, go down to Manage Mobile Devices. Now you would press Connect a New Device. You can choose Bluetooth audio or Apple CarPlay, whatever you choose. Press on the option, connect CarPlay and confirm. Now you would go to the Bluetooth settings on your phone, scroll down and wait until Rolls-Royce 18050 appears on your phone. We can see it right here. Press on it, press OK on the screen and pair on your phone. Wait a few minutes. Connecting to Apple CarPlay. Perfect. Now on the screen of the vehicle you can see different options and you can navigate through the options of your phone. Now let's talk about the middle console. The first thing first is a big compartment for the storage. Here we have some extra space as well. To close the lid you would press it and it closes automatically. In here we have a controller for the menu. To navigate through it you simply scroll and press to select the options. We have media, communication, menu, map and navigation here, some back and more options buttons as well. On your right hand side we have the top down button to remove the convertible top. This one is the hazard, turn it off, press on it again, and this one locks the doors. Right above we have very comfortable cup holders and we have a special compartment for the key. To close the compartment we would simply press on it and it closes automatically. Over here we have a temperature control. To make it cooler you would scroll this way, to make it hotter you would scroll the other way. Same thing for the passenger side. This button right here activates the ventilation of the windshield. This one is for the rear window. This one the circulation inside the car. And this one turns the AC off. Right above we have the controller for the ventilation strength, soft, medium, high, and maximum. Same thing on the right hand side for the passenger. Over here we have heated and cooling seats. To activate heated seats and choose different modes, we would press on this button, and this one is for the cooling seats, which is a very nice option. Same thing for the passenger side. These buttons right here change different radio stations. They are censored, so you can just scroll through them by touching it. This one is entertainment volume controller. Scroll it to the right to make it louder and to the left to make it quieter. These things right here turn off the vents. To turn it off, press it down and pull it up to turn it back on. Right above the engine start button, we have the handbrake. To activate it, you simply press on it, and to release it, you press on the brake pedal and press the other direction. This button right here holds the brake pedal for you. Let's say you stopped at the long light and you don't want to hold your foot on the brake pedal, you simply activate the hold. This one is for the reverse camera, and this one is parking sensors button. In the menu, we have Apple CarPlay option that opens your phone. Then we go back to the menu. You see different applications. You see vehicle, navigation. When you press on it, you can navigate to your desired address or simply open a map. You have media and radio. You can choose FM option and listen to different type of stations. Go back by pressing the menu button. Communications, open your contacts, notifications, and returns back to Apple CarPlay. On the left hand side, we have controllers for the windows. Push it down, push it up for all 4 windows. This one locks the windows. This one adjusts the mirrors. If you would like to adjust the left mirror, you would push the controller to the left and use the joystick to move it around, and the same thing to the right. If you would like to fold the mirrors, you would press this button right here. Let's move on to the steering wheel and what we have here. Here we have cruise control. You can adjust the speed using the controller here. Symmetrically on the right hand side, over here we have different menus options for the pop-up screen right in front of your eyes, so you don't have to look at the dashboard and distract yourself. And here we have a volume controller. Right below we have the voice control button here, so you can speak and the car will select different options. Right below the gear changing handle, we have a handle for the wipers. Push it up to activate wipers, push it down to slow it down, and to stop. When you push it towards yourself, it activates the fluid to wash the front windshield. To turn on the automatic regime, you would press on the button on the side. To turn it off, press on it again. Here we have the controller for the headlights. Right now it's an automatic that we highly recommend to keep it this way. That means that the car turns on and off the headlights automatically depending on the time of a day. Over here we turn it off. Here we have a parking lamps. Over here is the high beam, and we suggest to keep it in automatic. This option right here activates the automatic high beam. That means that if the car sees that there is somebody coming towards you, it will turn off the high beams and then turn it back on once the way is clear. Now let's take a look at how to adjust seating position in Rolls-Royce. You have the controllers that moves it away from the steering wheel or closer to the steering wheel, and also moves the back up and down. So as you already know, Rolls-Royce Dawn is not just a very beautiful luxury cruiser car, but also a very functional car, and it has a lot of space at the back to fit 3-4 adults with no problems. So now I'm going to show you how to move the seat. You put the silver handle up, and then it allows you to access the back. At the back, you have a very comfortable armrest. You have its own controller for the rear window. You have spacious armrest on the right-hand side. You have your own cup holder, your different controllers for the climate, and you have some more storage space over there. It also has a very nice option of cooling seats at the back. The controller for the cooling seats is located right here, right below the armrest on the left-hand side and on the right-hand side. So now let's take a look on how the convertible top looks. We're gonna use the button that is located on the right side from the middle control center. You simply press it down and hold it until the top is fully down. Now you see that the retractable top movement is complete. You can release the button. To close it, you press the button up and do the same thing. Wait until it's fully closed.
Thank you for watching this video and for renting from us. If you still have questions, please contact us at any time. It was our pleasure to serve you, and we're looking forward to serve you again soon. Bye!